In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print shipping labels from Shippo. We'll walk through setting your label format, finding the shipment you've purchased a label for, downloading the label file, and printing it correctly so it scans cleanly the first time. By the end, you'll know exactly which settings to choose for your printer and how to avoid common printing mistakes. Start by confirming your label and packing slip settings. In Shippo, open Settings, then Labels and Packing Slips. Choose the label format that matches your printer. If you're using a regular inkjet or laser printer on letter-size paper, select the 8.5 by 11-inch PDF option. This is great if you plan to print on standard paper or on full-sheet adhesive labels and then cut or peel. If you use a thermal label printer with adhesive rolls, select the 4 by 6-inch PDF option. That will produce a label size specifically for thermal media. Save your settings. Keep in mind, this change applies only to labels you create after updating the setting. Any labels generated earlier will keep their original format, so don't be surprised if older labels look different. Next, go to the Shipments page or the Orders page if you're working from imported orders. After you've purchased the label, locate the shipment you want to print. If you have a lot of orders, filters or search can help you find it quickly by destination or order number. When you're ready, click the Download button. If there's a drop-down, choose Download Label. This will open or save the label file. If you downloaded it and haven't printed yet, open the PDF with a dedicated PDF viewer rather than a browser's built-in viewer. This is especially important with thermal printers, where incorrect rendering can lead to blank, tiny, or garbled labels. Now, print the label. For a standard printer, print the 8.5 by 11-inch PDF on regular paper or on adhesive label sheets. For a thermal label printer, set the paper or media size to 4 by 6 inches. Make sure the printer driver is correct and the label size settings match what you selected in Shippo. Disable any fit-to-page or scaling options, or set scaling to 100%, so the barcode prints at the exact dimensions needed for scanning. If available, choose a higher print density for thermal printers to keep barcodes crisp, and double-check orientation before sending the job. Finally, affix the label flat on the largest surface of your package. Avoid wrinkles, and don't cover the barcode with anything that could reflect light. Then, drop off the package with your carrier, schedule a pickup, or follow your usual shipping process. That's it. Configure once, download, print correctly, and ship with confidence.